We see the lush green as we look elsewhere around the region. A little hint of sunshine with a lot of clouds at the shore. Currently it's 57 degrees in the city, 57 at the shore, and temperatures will kind of hold around that through the day. They'll dip a little, come back a little. Here's what you need to know. Some on and off showers throughout the morning hours. It's not much out there right now. It's a little damp. I think we get a heavier push maybe around the lunchtime hour, but overall it feels raw the next 2 days. We're talking rain and chilly conditions. Really slow improvement by late this week. So today and tomorrow, kind of the worst of it. Storm Tracker 6 showing some showers. It's not very heavy. We've had a few in the city. We still have a few in Bucks County, blossoming a little bit south of the city. And I do think in South Jersey, you get the heavier rain today. You see those showers right now on and off through Gloucester, Camden County. And then it's kind of a break on and off through the day today. So here's what you can expect. At 8 a.m., we've got cloudy skies with a few showers around. At lunchtime, some showers, 56 degrees. At 4 o'clock, on and off showers continue, and 54. At 8 o'clock, it's some light rain and 53, Matt. So cloudy, kind of dreary, but not a lot of heavy rain. We're going to have periods of rain and drizzle on and off today and tomorrow. It's a 2-day thing, guys. Let's take a look at Storm Tracker 6. It's not much happening right now, just enough to make it damp. We've got some showers through the region, especially south of the city. And this morning, I'm noticing that some of the trend is some of the heavier rain maybe south of the city, but we're all getting the dreariness out there. Right now, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s and kind of holding that way through much of the day. 7 o'clock, it's 56. You've got some rain coming down. Maybe at 8 and 9, it's just kind of cloudy and a couple of sprinkles or shower here or there. It looks like 10, 11, 12, there's a push of some heavier rain, especially south of the city. At 1 o'clock, you've got rain coming down. It's 55 degrees. Through the day today, it's wet tomorrow as well. And 2 days where we're just in the 50s. Friday, we do see some sunshine returning to the picture, but also a few scattered showers. We'll talk about that holiday weekend. We got a big one coming up this weekend. That's up in just a minute, guys. Good morning, everybody. So the rain is setting in, and we're going to be dealing with it for a couple days. Let's break it down today. So right now we've got some showers around, but it's really late morning into early afternoon. We do get a period of steadier rain. I think especially south of the city, you'll see some ponding on the roads with that. And then this afternoon and evening, it's breezy. I've got some mist, you've got some drizzle, but temperatures only stuck in the 50s. We're nearly 20 degrees below average today and tomorrow. Yeah, we feel it. Wednesday night, another round of rain and showers linger into Thursday as well. So a couple of really dreary days. It's not constant, though, today that it's heavy. Right now, it's pretty light. I do see through South Jersey, you've got a little more coverage than you do elsewhere, and I think it's a little enhanced in South Jersey later this morning as well. But right now, you've got some on and off showers through the region, just enough you need the windshield wipers kind of on and off. As we look at Storm Tracker 6, you can see we get some breaks with the showers here or there, but then this heavier push of rain moves in. Sometime closer to the lunchtime hour, maybe 10, 11, 12 o'clock. I think it's especially south of the city where you see those darker shades of yellow, where it's coming down pretty good, that we'll be watching. So rain on and off. We're not really at a risk of any big situation with flooding. I think all through the day, but now looks like we get about a half an inch or so. So that's not a lot. It's just enough to make it dreary out there. But by 11 o'clock, models kind of showing, yeah, maybe some heavier rain coming, especially south of the city, that we'll watch. Then we're kind of on and off through the afternoon. 4:30, really not looking too bad, but some showers around. Looks like it gets a little heavier late at night, maybe 11, 12 o'clock at night today, and tomorrow's wet as well. So we're kind of in it over the next few days. Let's look at the next 12 hours for you. Temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 50s and kind of stay that way through the day. So 7, 8, 9 o'clock, on and off rain. You can kind of see that 11, 12 o'clock hour. Looks like it's coming down pretty good at that point. 3 o'clock, you've got some showers, 54. At 7 o'clock, you've got some on and off showers, 54 degrees. And tomorrow's kind of more of the same. High of 58, it's overcast, you've got some showers, it stays chilly out there. So really feeling more like March than here we are in June. Your holiday weekend, much of the time looks dry, so we do get improvement here. I think we get some pop-up showers Friday and Saturday, but also some sun Friday and Saturday. We're watching a storm to the south on Monday, so something to keep an eye eye on. And it looks like at this point, it's more showers Monday night or Tuesday. We'll just have to watch the timing over the next couple days. It's a bit too cool for swimming pools or being in the ocean though, but it's not bad for the holiday weekend. Here's your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day. It's chilly with some rain and drizzle and 57. Looks like south of the city's a little heavier. Tomorrow, chilly with some showers lingering and 58. Friday, clouds, couple of scattered showers. At least we're climbing out of the 50s. It's 64. Saturday's not bad. Some sunshine, but also a spotty shower, 65. It looks like our next real dry day is Sunday.
Well,
Partly
traffic
will be awful.
That's true. I lose right off the bat. It's more of a toss-up.
And today, yeah, it's a toss-up with the weather as well. It's a little cooler than people would like, but it's not going to be too wet for the Memorial Day weekend. Storms right now, let's stress the kids and start about today. We'll worry about Memorial Day a little later. We've got a damp start, especially in South Jersey. We've got some showers around through the region. 56 degrees at time of pickup. Temperatures aren't going anywhere today. At the time of drop-off, it's 54 with some light rain around. So it's kind of continuing on and off through the day. Storm tracker showing in the city itself, it's wet. A lot of your northwest suburbs, not much happening yet. A couple of showers roll through, but pretty dry right now in Chester County, Montgomery County. But we zoom in a little bit, and we've got some showers here in Marple Township and Chester on I-95 right now on the Schuylkill Expressway. It's wet on the Turnpike, wet through much of South Jersey, but it's not much coming down. It's just a little drizzle, a little dampness. We've got a bit more on the way. Looks like some of the steadier, heavier rain might be south of the city. So looking at the day ahead and what you can expect, periods of rain and drizzle, 54 in the Lehigh Valley, 57 in the city. Yeah, that's nearly 20 degrees below average. At the shore, it's rainy and windy and 58. The Memorial Day weekend, it's all relative, Matt. It's not this bad, so that makes it great.
I'm here for the holiday
That's
weekend.
right.
You're smart. Good morning, Karen. Good morning.
This will help us a little bit with the pollen over the next couple days. I hope you took my advice yesterday. I took my own advice and spent the day outside enjoying the sunshine before the rain comes. As a result of that, I'm taking every allergy medicine right now known to man. It's still in the medium-high range today. I've been suffering. Maybe you have too. It comes down a little bit on Thursday because of the rain, and even further still on Friday because of the rain we're getting over the next couple of days. So at least a little bit of a break coming your way the next couple of days. Right now, it's nothing really heavy, but we've got some showers around, especially in the city and South Jersey. And it's going to stay that way through the day with these on and off rain and drizzle through the day. And it stays dreary and chilly as well. At 7 o'clock, it's about 56, holding at 56 at 9. Even 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's 55. You've got some rain and drizzle on and off throughout the day and into the night as well. Looks like maybe around lunchtime, a push of heavier rain, and maybe late tonight around 11, 12 o'clock, a push of heavier rain. Other than that, it's kind of rain and drizzle through the day, periods of it in 57. Then we do it all over again tomorrow with a high of 58. Finally, by Friday, we make it into the low 60s. Matt and Tam, still more than 10 degrees below average, but a little better than it is today. We'll talk about that Memorial Day weekend and a warmer trend coming our way, not in the 7-day, but beyond. I'll explain that in a few minutes.
Right.
The percent of cloud cover, I think it kind of helps tell the story over the next 5 days, with today and tomorrow being the dreariest. It's wet, it's chilly, it's dreary. We're looking at a lot of cloud cover. Even by Friday, it looks like maybe 90% cloud cover, so a lot of clouds, but some peaks of sun at the end of the day. Saturday's a little better, seeing some sunshine, and Sunday's looking pretty nice with kind of equal parts sun and clouds. So we're kind of gradually getting better at the end of the week and into the weekend. Let's look at what's happening right now with Storm Tracker. Not a lot of heavy rain. You've got some showers, especially through South Jersey and the city right now. Most of your northwest suburbs just a little bit damp. It does look like we have a heavier push of rain to our south and west. You see how the darker green and the brighter yellow are to the south? I think it's south of the city where you get some of the heavier rain, and that will be around late morning lunchtime hours. So as we look at future tracker, here's a look at nearly 11 o'clock, and there you can see those darker shades, those yellows getting ready to move into South Jersey, maybe clipping the city, but I think especially through South Jersey, it's a little heavier, but a heavier push, maybe 11, 12 o'clock. As the kids are coming off the bus, it's still wet. Maybe not constantly, some rain and drizzle going on at 3 o'clock. Not looking at any flooding concerns. At 6 o'clock, it's just kind of damp for your evening drive. And again, it looks a little heavier pretty late tonight, like 11 o'clock tonight. So we're on and off through the day. Then we do it again tomorrow as well. So looking at the next 12 hours, remember, we should be about 76. We're way down today into the mid to upper 50s. Right now we're sitting at 57, and we just kind of hold through the day. 7 o'clock it's 56, at 11, 56, maybe that heavier push of rain, 11, 12 o'clock. It's still raining through the afternoon. In the evening, you've got showers around and 54 degrees. Just kind of a wet, dreary day, and we do it again tomorrow. Tomorrow's high is only 58. Overcast with some showers, remaining chilly. Temperatures nearly 20 degrees below average today and tomorrow. How about for the holiday weekend down the shore? Looks like upper 60s for the most part on Saturday and Sunday, and it looks pretty dry Saturday. Can't rule out a shower, but nothing terrible with some sunshine, even a little brighter on Sunday. Of course, that's kind of cool for the beach, but still not bad. It's not raining. You're close to 70, and it looks kind of similar on Monday at the shore. Here's your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day. Chilly with some rain and drizzle in 57. It's wet tomorrow, more of the same in 58. Friday clouds, a few scattered showers, some peaks of sun, especially the end of the day, 64. Saturday, some sunshine and just a spotty shower. Not terribly wet, but not completely dry, 65. I think Sunday's the first really dry day we see coming up. It's 70 degrees, at least partly sunny skies.